Alright, I'll show you how to replace the motherboard on CH1702 machine. So first of all, start with removing those 4 screws that holds the back cover. So you just need a regular Phillips head to do them. Okay, so once that's done, this cover will pop out, just like so. So what you want to do at this point is to push the motherboard from the other side. And you might not be able to see it, but there's those notches here on the top and on the bottom, so you might need to just press them in and then push the motherboard from the other side. Do that right now. There might be some glue as well, so just make sure you remove. I'll give it a slight push. Okay, so I'll move the camera over so you can see. Okay, so we have our motherboard. We can grab our replacement motherboard, and basically what we need to do is just replace one connection by connection at a time, really. That'll be the easiest way of doing it. Just make sure that you have your motherboard in correct orientation, flip it over, and then just go one connection at a time. So, just like so. There's just a simple fork there on the connection. Screw that, screw it back in. That's pretty much it. Once you replace all your connections, like so, just basically put the motherboard back in. Might need to wiggle it a little bit, but just make sure that all the connections on either side are facing straight. Once that's done, just push it back in. There you go. The motherboard is back in place now. So all you need to do at this point, just screw in the back plate again. So it'll be 4 screws. This way. Make sure not to trap any wires when you screw it back in. Yeah, but once that's done, that's it. That's how to replace the motherboard on CH1702. If you have any more questions, please let me know.